beef garlic butter ang gagawin natin. So, na-slice natin to siya into cubes. And then, i-deep fry natin with garlic. And, of course, butter. So, una natin i-saute ang garlic. Pag-golden brown muna natin to. Add butter. Add tayo ng butter. Go, it's really done. Dapat kasi ang beef hindi mag-overcook. So, mga 8 minutes lang yung pagluluto ng beef. Dapat maganito little bit blood. Yan ang gusto nila. Kaya ready na yan to serve. And ready to serve.